Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to talk about growing microgreens in your home. It's really easy to do, and I'm going to do this in a series of videos. So this is going to be the first time that I did a multi-video series on one topic, so I'm really excited about doing that. But before we go there, I wanted you to know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have easy to prepare recipes, videos on how to grow a variety of vegetables in containers, and meditation videos. So let's get started with video number 1 on microgreens. So what are microgreens? Well, microgreens are not sprouts. Sprouts are when they've just opened up and there's no formation of the plant. Now microgreens have that one set of true leaves on it, and it has very skinny stems because they're baby plants. They're not quite baby greens, and they're not as small as sprouts. And I got interested in microgreens because I understand that they pack a lot of nutritional value for their size depending on which type of microgreen that you grow. So that gets me really excited about getting more antioxidants, more nutrients, and more minerals into my diet. But the best thing about microgreens is that not only is there a concentration of nutrition, there's a concentration of flavor in there too. So that's a double whammy for me on why I want to grow them. Now there was some concern, and still some concern about sprouts and certain E. coli and salmonella. You don't normally have this concern with microgreens because, again, you're only going to eat the stem and the leaves. You're not going to be eating the seed part of it like you would in a sprout, and you won't be eating the roots. So that minimizes any of those considerations. Another thing about the difference between the sprouts and the microgreens, so that they don't get those contaminants, is that the microgreen environment is not as moist as the environment you grow sprouts in. So that also reduces the likelihood of any of those illnesses associated with sprouts. Plus, you're growing it at home, so you can control the sanitary conditions that you're growing your microgreens, and that is a very good thing. So in the videos that are going to be upcoming, I'm going to show you how to know which seeds to select. There are certain plants you should not, and I'm going to emphasize not, grow as microgreens because they can be poisonous and hazardous to you. For example, a tomato plant. Tomatoes, I love tomatoes, but you cannot use those as microgreens because they're part of what is called the nightshade family. So I'm going to talk more about that too. Some of the more common types of microgreens that people grow are kale, collard greens. I'm going to show you, I got here some broccoli growing. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Nice and fresh. Another one that I have started are some radishes. So I'm going to talk to you about all the different growing mediums you can use, watering, where to get your seeds from, how to select your seeds, so that you can have a very good microgreen growing experience. Another good thing about microgreens is that you can grow these indoors all year round. All you need is one of those south-facing sunny windows to grow them in. And it's super simple. Now you may ask, well, can I grow them outside? I have a balcony or I have a covered porch. You can grow them outside, but just be careful about the how much direct sun they're getting and how much heat is out there around them, because they are very tender. And you can bring them in and out of the home, but you can grow these outside. You just have to be a little more careful. Again, I want to let you know this is going to be a multi-video series. This is video 1. The second video is going to discuss how to select the seeds, where to buy the seeds, watering, the growing mediums, the growing containers, and all those types of things you need to get started. And I also will show you some additional microgreens that I'm growing, and of course I'm going to show you some recipes on how to use your microgreens. Well, that's it for now. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye-bye.